I'm going to share screen. We're going to do some fractions, okay? Let us start with the very basic stuff. Okay, this is considered basic. Okay, but I'm worried Shafia is not here. Can we try now? Practice question 1A, B, C, and D. Sheikh Akil and Iman, please turn on your videos. Sheikh Akil. Okay. You write down your answers and then yes. Okay, Shafia, can you hear me, Shafia? We are doing question 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. Iman, if you're there, please turn on your video and let us start our work now. It's very simple. Write down on a piece of paper. Shakil, you got a piece of paper, right? Yes, please write it down. And then you compare your answers to my answers over here. It's very, very simple. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Anyone got answer? Righty, you know what to do? What's the answer for the first one?
Let's took out my pencil case.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is very simple. 3 divided by 4, you just put 3 over 4. That's all. Can you do for the rest, all the rest of you?
Yes, done.
Okay, done. Wow, so fast. Shakil, what's the answer for this one? Just tell me the answer. Just tell me the answer. Can see not?
5 out of 6.
5 out of 6. Shafia? The next one? Shafia?
6 out of 7.
And Raidi?
7 out of 8.
So remember, fractions actually can be division, you know. If let's say someone give you 4 out of 5, this also means 4 divided by 5. Okay, just remember that, okay? So we are going to move on to the next one now. We are going to move on to the next one. Can we try now? Now it's the opposite. Do ABCD, please. ABCD. Shafia, what are you doing, Shafia? Why are you looking up there? Who's there? Okay. Not times already, this divide, yeah? Okay, you can just write 5, 7. Okay. Or slash, you want to put slash also can, but never mind, no problem. Whatever. Okay. Easy, right? Okay. Okay, well done. I'm sure all of you know how to do it. Very simple, right? If let's say you get this 5 divided by 7, 4 divided by 9, all right? And then 3 divided by, I mean, it's so simple, right? 2 divided by 11. So I want you to remember this because sometimes we need to change it from this to this, sometimes from this to this, like down here. Sometimes, depending, sometimes you need to do it for problem sums. So let us go to the next one. Let us see how you are at this now. No using calculators. Try to add this and then add this. Can you do it? You can do it. If you can, I will show you in a moment. Okay, if Friday you're done, can you tell me what's your answer? Or you key in there? Or tell me what's answer, lad. What's your answer? Cannot hear you.
My answer is 5 whole 2 out of 8.
5 whole 2 out of 8. Okay, we'll wait for the rest. Huh? What about the rest? Let us see.
I just using the P4 method.
But how you get 2 out of 8? Huh?
2, 2, 5, 2 out of 8.
So like this, is it?
7 out of 8, my bad.
7 out of 8. Oh, 7 out of 8. Okay, okay. Okay, you're bad, all right. Okay, we are now going to show you now the first one. If you do not know, you try, okay? Akil, are you there, Akil? So you can do it this way. There's a few ways of doing it. For me, I like to make things easy for me. Maybe I make it 5 plus 2. 3 plus 2. I can do like that. No? Can add first if you want to. Or down here, we can make it the same denominator. If you plus and minus, you must change the denominator. But if you times and divide, you don't need to. So in this case, you need to change. So you get 3, 5, 8 plus 2, 2, 8. And then whole number plus whole number. 3 plus 2 is 5. Fraction plus fraction, 5 plus 2 is 7. But the question is this. What is this thing here? What is this over 8 and over 4? What is it? Shakil, you remember? No? What is over 8 and over 4? Do you remember, Shakil? Cannot remember. Shafia, you know, Shafia, what is it? Raidi, you know what is this? Okay, I'll show you now. Down here now, I have a pizza or pie. Can see here? Down here now, I'm going to divide it into 4 parts. So 1 out of 4 is like that. Can see now. Now this is another one, another pizza. The other pizza is 5 upon 8. So I'm going to cut on here 5. And there's 4. 5, 6, 7. Can you see? I'm dividing into equal parts. So 5 parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how to plus? I cannot plus because the size is different. The only way is to cut and make it 8 also down here. See, sometimes you can cut and make it 8. How? By multiplying each quarter, I divide into 2. See, each quarter I divide into 2. Then I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, now I can put these 2 pieces here. If I put this 1 piece here, I shade it now. I put another one here. I shade it now. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 8. Can you see now what I'm doing? This thing now that we put over 8 over 4 has a meaning. The meaning is the cutting. Okay? As we go on further, we'll find out. Sometimes you need to combine it. Okay, now we try the next one now. You try to do 1 whole 2/3 plus 3 over 4. Yes. Try. Have you gotten your answer? You try. In this case, you may use a clue as 12 as the denominator. 12. Shakil, you got answer, Shakil? Come. You seem to be enjoying that sweet. It looks very, very nice. What is that? Chewy stuff. Sedap, eh?
Yeah.
So Shakil, you finished already. Okay, 4, 5, 6 out of 12. So how?
That one, another question.
Another question. Okay. All right. So now, which one? How to do this now?
Me.
You can do it. Believe yourself. Yeah. I'm just writing the question. Wait, hold on. What is your answer? Ready?
3 whole 4 out of
3 whole 4 out of 12.
4 holes 4 out
Four
of 12.
holes. 4 holes, 4 out of 12. What about Shakil? You get the answer? What's your answer? Hold on. Okay. Shafia, can do Shafia? What's your answer, Shafia? Shafia, what's your answer? Oh, coming soon. Iman, what about you, Iman? Have you gotten the answer? Haven't yet. Okay, we try. Okay,
Sir.
Shakil. Yes, what's your answer?
Is it 3 whole 15 out of 12?
Okay, if you say 3 whole 15 out of 12, now this 15 out of 12, can you change it to whole number or not? No.
So that one, sir.
Yeah, for this one, right? I know you said.
This one.
Huh?
Betul lah, betul. Ya,
Same
correct.
question.
Yeah.
Same question. So this one now, maybe you reduce first. You divide by 3. You try to divide by 3 first. You divide by 3. Raidi, yours can reduce to lowest terms, no? Can divide by 3 also. So you divide by 3, what do you get? Shafia, what's your answer? Iman, what's your answer, Iman? You got your answer.
You want
So what's your answer? Raidi?
wait. Divide by
5 out of 4?
1 out of 3. I mean 4 holes, 1 out of 3.
Okay. What about Iman? What's your answer?
For the second question, I put 3 whole 1, 11 over 12.
11 over 12.
No, that's the next question.
These two are the same question. See, 1 and 2/3, 1 and 2/3, 2 and 3/4, 2 and 3/4. Same question. This same question. Shafia, what's your answer? Shafia, this same question, huh? Shafia, what's your answer? Can do or not, Shafia? Okay, no problem. Shakil, you got your new answer or not? Don't poke your eye. Okay, Allah give us eye to see.
I got 3 whole 5 out of 4.
Okay, so now this 5 out of 4, can you, okay, 5 out of 4, we learned that now is 5 divided by 4, correct? Do you agree? 5 out of 4, just now we just learned is 5 divided by 4. So I put that 5 divided by 4. So I do this one. Let's see what happens. 5 divided by 4, I get like that. You see? Can you see that?
As a remainder.
So down here is 1 whole, 1 remainder over 4. So now this one I change to 3 whole plus not 5 out of 4 but 1, 1, 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4, 1 whole and 4, which is the same as write this. 4, 1, 4 is not the same. Not the same as write this answer. Write this 413, yours is 414. Well, let us see who's correct. Okay, come. Okay, let us see. We do step by step now. Okay, you want to do this method? I'll show you an easier method. Maybe if you feel you're happier with it. Take whole number plus whole number. 1 plus 2, what's your answer? 3. Then you are left with 2/3 plus 3, 4. You can do it like that also if you want to. I leave it to you. You want to do this style, you can. Or you can say, no, I don't want to do it this way. I want to change the denominator, which we can change now in a moment. We times by 4, times by 4, we times by 3, we times by 3. So Shafia, if you do not know what number to change it to, you can take this times this, and this side times this. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. If you times the bottom by 4, the top also needs to times 4. If you times the bottom by 3, the top also must times by 3. So now what do you get? You get 3 whole 8 over 12 plus 9 over 12. Right? Which equals to 3 whole 17 over 12. Is it correct or wrong? Right or wrong? Are you
Wrong.
confused?
Wrong.
Why is it wrong?
Wrong is
Itu
16.
16?
Okay.
what is this
Harap
one?
first. Harap first. Okay, we try. We try the method you taught first. Now we change it to times 4. Times 4.
Need to simplest.
Yeah, okay, we try 3 times 3. Hold on now. Let's see. Now we have here over 12 over 12, correct? 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 3, 12. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 8 is how much? 9 plus 8? 17 over 12. 1 plus 2 wholes, 3 wholes. Correct or not? Is it correct? Again, 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 3, 12. If down here you times by 4, top times 4, you get 8. Bottom times 3, top times 3, you get 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Now this one, you have to change it into mixed number. How to change into mixed number? 17. You learn that this is 17 divided by 12. 1 times 12 is 12. So we can put a 1 here. You minus, you get 5. So how to write this? This is 1 whole, remainder 5 over 70, over 12. So over 12. 1 whole, 5 remainder over 12. This one is at the bottom here. So down here 3, I put plus 1 whole 5 over 12. So what do I get? 3 plus 1, 4. 5 over 12. Okay, no one got it correct this time, but we will try again. We will try again, okay? Let's try the next one now. Let's try the next one now. Try this one here. Try C. Shafia, you change the denominator to what? Down here. To 10, okay? Times by 2. This one times by 5. You can get 10. Okay, must try, must try, must try.
4 whole 9 out of 10.
4 whole 9 out of 10. Let's see what about the rest. Okay. Okay, Raidi, 4 whole 9 out of 10. Shakil, 4 whole 9 out of 10. What about Iman? Do you get 4 whole 9 out of 10 also? Yes, huh? So I'm just going to run through so that you are very, very clear. Okay, so this is the question. So now remember, you got to make the denominator the same. So times by 2. Why times 2? Because you want to make it the same as this. This one times by 5. 2 times 5 is the same as 5 times 2. If you times it by 2 on top, bottom, you must also times it by top by 2. Times the bottom by 5, top also by 5. So what do you get? 1 whole 4 over 10 plus 3 whole 5 over 10. Whole number plus whole number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9 over 10. Congratulations. Can you try the next one then? Try the next one. Okay. Try the next one. Can still see, Shafia? Okay, try the next one.
I got the answer.
And what's the answer?
8
What's the answer?
whole 40 out of 48.
So big, why don't you reduce 40 can divide by 4? 48 can divide by 4.
8, 10 out of 12.
8, 10 out of 12. 10 can divide by 2. 12 can divide by 2. Can reduce it further. What about Shafia?
Eight whole 5 out of 6.
What about Akil? Is it the same answer?
Yes.
Yeah. Iman? What about you, Iman? Okay, Shafia. Can we make this 12? Same, huh? Can we make this into 12? Times by what? 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So do the same thing. Top also times 3. So let's see here. 3 whole 7 out of 12. Plus 5 wholes 3 out of 12. Whole number plus whole number 8. 7 plus 3, 10 out of 12. But this can divide by 2 some more. To reduce the lowest term, divide by 2, and you get 8, 5, 6. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, we try the next one. Now we do this one. F. We don't do this one. We just do F. Oh, sorry.
So I don't know how to do this.
No problem. Okay. We are going to do together.
Wait. I'm halfway.
Okay. You try a little bit more. Question, all right, on the board. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah. Okay. I'm
Ada
just
answer.
same question. Same question. It's the same question.
I got the answer.
What's your answer?
3 whole 17 of 27.
Cannot be. See, 3 whole plus 3 whole is how many whole?
Wait. 6. I mean 4. 7 whole. 17 out of 27.
27. Okay, let us see now. First of all, let us look at this. Okay, let us look at this, okay? Mr. Yes, I'm so happy you're back. Watch, huh? Now down here, Shafia, can you see you can times this by 3. When you times this by 3, it becomes 9. So, Raidi, you don't need to make it 27. What Raidi is take 9 times 3. This you can times 3 to make it 9. You don't need to make your number so big. In the end, you want to divide, it's so difficult. So down here, you can times by 3, make it 9. See? Like 3, 2 times 3, 6 over 9. Plus 3, 4 over 9. Now, Akil, whole number plus whole number, how much, Akil?
6.
And down here, 6 plus 4, how much?
10.
10. But you see now down here, this one we must change, because we cannot have improper fraction here. So we go and divide. Remember, we learned this is 10 divided by 9, right? So now it's 10 divided by 9. So how do we do this, Akil?
Oh.
We put the 9 here. On top, how many? 9 divided by 9, get?
1.
Remainder?
1.
1. So how do we write this as a mixed number down here? I want you to write like that. What number do we put in? This one is A, B, and C. What do we write in A?
1.
1.
9 out of 9.
Not 9 out of 9. The remainder must be
1 out of 9.
9 out of 9. So this one now is like this. 6 plus 1, 9. Can you see now? 6, this.
Oh, that's hard.
6, 1. No, there'll be plus now. 6 plus 1, how much, Akil?
6 plus 1 is equals to 7.
7, 1, 9. That's it.
What does it do? I thought need to put a 6 out of 1.
Where is 6 out of 1? No, 6 plus 1, 7. This is 6 whole plus 1 whole. Can see now? 6 whole plus 1 whole is 7 whole. So this one 1 out of 9. Now you just put 1 out of 9 here. We try, yeah? Okay, Shafia, don't turn off your video, Shafia. You can do it, okay? Okay. All right, hold on. We're gonna try this one. Wait, this is too easy. This one, no, not this one. I got to give you my own question now, because the question inside is not like this. I want this type question. You try my question, okay? Now you must master this, all right? You must master this. You must master this. 7 plus 1 and 2 thirds. Okay, you try this, yeah?
Answer 8. Answer
Answer is what?
8. 1 out of 1.
8, 1 of 1. Hold on, huh?
8 whole 6 out of 6.
6 out of 6 is 1 whole. 6 out of 6, 1 whole.
My answer is 8.
Answer
I got
8
1,
whole
8.
7
1.
out of 6.
7 out of 6.
I got
Okay.
8. 1 out of 8.
8, 1, 8.
No, wrong. 1, 8. 8. 1 out of 1. 8 whole?
8 whole, 1 out of 1.
Yes.
1 over 1 is 1 whole. Okay, let us try. Let us try. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now, first we look at this now. This one cannot become this number. So we times both number by each other. 2 times 3 and it's 3 times 2. So times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So you get 7 whole, 3 out of 6 plus 1 whole, 4 out of 6. Okay. So whole number plus whole number, 7 plus 1, 8. So all of you, 8 is correct. But 3 plus 4 is 7 out of 6. So 7 out of 6 is bigger. Bigger, you remember this is 7 divided by 6. So 7 divided by 6 cannot, but 6 can divide by 6. Get 1 whole. 7 minus 6, 1. So this is 1 whole, 1 remainder over 6. So I write it like that. 8 plus 7, 6 is 1, 1, 6. So I take 8 plus 1, 9. 1 over 6. Do you get it? Who's lost? Anyone's lost? Where are you lost, Riley? Which part are you lost? Akil, which part are you lost? If you're lost, you must tell me where you're lost. Which part? Come unmute yourself. Tell me which part you're not lost. Akil, are you lost anywhere or you understand? Akil. Akil,
The simplest form. The simplest form.
Simplest form down here. Okay. This one 7 out of 6, right? So now this one is bigger than the bottom. Bigger than the bottom, I go and divide lah. 7 divided by 6. Then 7 cannot divide by 6 can. So 6 divided by 6 get 1. Then I minus, I get remainder 1. So this 1 whole, see 1 whole. 1 remainder, 6 as the denominator. So now I write 7 out of 6, I write 1 whole and 1 6. Then I take 8 plus 1, 9, 1 6. We try, okay? We try one more time. We try one more time. You can do it. You can do it. You must believe that you can do it, okay? Shafia can do it, no, Shafia? Shafia, don't lie down, Shafia. Shafia, why are you doing like that? Like that, miss? You want me to come there? Okay, I'll come to your house later. Okay? But make sure you make teh tarik for me, okay? Here we go. Now we start with simple like that. You try. This one's simpler. Simpler.
4 whole 6 out of 5.
But 6 out of 5, 6 is bigger than 5. You got to do the long division again. Do the long division again. Remember not? Correct. 4, 6 over 5 is correct. Shafia, what about you, Shafia? I've been waiting to hear your sweet voice. Shafia.
Now on my light.
Okay, what's your answer, Mr. Raidi?
I haven't found yet.
Haven't. Akil, you found your answer, Akil? Yes, you are not done yet. Okay. Shafia, where are you? Don't make me sing a song for you. Have you heard the song Shafia, Shafia? Akil, you want me to sing a song for her? No. Okay, come.
Not done.
I'm lost.
Not done. You're lost. Okay. Because you're lost at the when it's bigger, smaller. Okay, we give 30 seconds more, okay? So that the rest can do, and then we see how it is. Okay. I show you, Now it's the same number. Not done. Who's saying not done? Shafia, is it? Okay. You try first. So the rest are still trying. Raidi, you're lost.
6 divided by 1.
Down here, right? There's no, you tell me now it's 4. You tell me it's 4, 6, 5, is it? Like that?
Yeah.
Then 6 must divide by 5 lah. You must do like this. 6 divided by 5. Then what's the answer? This one, you must change to mixed number.
But 6 cannot divide by 5.
Yeah, so you do long division like that, you get mixed number. 6 divided by 5 what? 5.
1.
1.
6. 1.
6 minus 1. So what's the number?
1 whole 1 out of 5.
Yeah, this means this is 1 whole 1 out of 5. So you plus these two together. Then you can get it. Okay, Shafia, we're going to go through now. Don't tell me to wait. Don't tell me to wait so long. Otherwise, the rest are falling asleep. You look at some of them. You look at Raidi. His head is saying it already. Okay, here we go. Raidi, 2 plus 2.
Plus 2 is 4.
4. Now down here, the denominator is the same. Good. We don't need to change the denominator. 4 plus 2. Hello? 4 plus 2? 6. Now you cannot write a fraction like this. The fraction must have a small number on top. So this one now, we are going to change it now. 6 divided by 5. 6 cannot divide by 5. Yes. Akil says 6, so you take a number smaller than 6, 5 can divide by 5, get 1. 6 minus 5, 1. So this is 1 whole 1 out of 5. So this one now is 4 whole plus, this is this. So plus 1, 1, 5. So Akil, what do we do? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5, 1, 5. We go the next one now. We try again until we get it. Okay, Shafia, I cannot see your head. I cannot see you. I can only see your head. And I'm wondering what's inside your head. Is it full of hair or not? Okay, last time I always thought, never mind. I will not tell you something.
Please tell us.
What?
Please tell us.
Leave tawas.
Please tell us.
Please tell us. Sometimes I wonder whether there is hair under the head, under the scarf. Like when I married my wife, she's wearing a scarf. Is she botak underneath? Maybe. But of course not, because Muslims, you wear scarf because you need to cover. But some non-Muslims, they wear scarf because they go for cancer treatment. You know cancer? And when they go for the cancer treatment, their hair all fall off, So they are botak, they malu, they wear a scarf. But this is not true, of course, for Shafia and Iman, because they have a, don't show us your hair. No, don't show us. Come, let's try this. Okay, you can do this. This is 5, huh?
Mr. Shahid, what do you
Yes.
by the situation?
Situation, yeah.
No.
Right, but your situation, your situation. Now, I'll write to you now.
I cracked my nail. Is the answer 5 whole 6 out of 15?
Wait, I'm not there.
Okay, you try. Let's see.
Sir, 5
yes.
whole 18 out of 15.
18 out of 15. Okay, we'll see. You're waiting, but check. All this can be brought down to lowest terms. Okay, we are waiting for...
Cancel my answer.
Cancel. Which one did you answer?
6. 5 out of 15. The answer for mine...
Wait, I'm not done.
5 whole 2 out of 5.
Okay. You wait for Shafia. Okay. Just a little bit more. While we wait for Shafia, we will test the two boys to see which one is faster in timetable. Okay, you have to challenge, Raidi versus...
My answer
your answer is 4 whole
3 over 6.
3 over 6. Okay, let us do this one now. Okay, Iman, you got the answer? No. Okay, we watch them. Now, this one, the denominator is different. You must make it the same first. How to make it the same? This one you can times by 3. This one times by 5. You see, 3 times 5 is same as 5 times 3. You can make it 15. So this one must times by 3 also. This one must times by 5 also. So what do you get? You get 2 wholes. 4 times 3 is 12 over 15. Plus 3 wholes. This one is 2 times 5 is 10 out of 15.
Answer is wrong. I forgot to times.
Wait, hold on. Then what happened? 2 plus 3 is 5. 12 plus 10 is 22 over 15. 22 over 15. This is bigger than the bottom. So we have to do like that. 22 divided by 15. But you see, I have not learned how to divide by two numbers. Never mind, you will learn now. Can divide by 15? Cannot. A number smaller than 22 can divide by 15. You are 15. 15 divide by 15, get 1. Then you minus. 22 minus 15 is 7. So what number is this? 1 whole, remainder 7 over 15. So this number is 5 whole plus, this is actually 1 whole 7 over 15. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 over 15. How? How is it? Okay. Here we go. We do the next one. Okay. We do the next one. Okay. More or less, you are getting it. This one, you know how to do. Very simple. 1 plus 2, 3. 3. Then what you do? 4 over 5, just write down here. 4 over 5. Simple. Can you see? 1 plus 2 get 3, then 4 over 5. What about the next one? You know what the answer?
5, 3 out of 4.
5, 3 out of 4. 2 plus 3, 5. Then just bring the 3 out of 4. Easy, 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 easy. Now, this is a minus. You try now. You try this one first. Minus.
Teacher, I don't know what to do.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to show in a moment, okay? Just
Wait,
in a moment.
I'm halfway, please.
Okay, we just give 1 more minute.
The answer for me is 2, 1 out of 4.
2, 1 out of 4. Okay, let us see, yeah?
But I forgot every single thing.
No problem, no problem. Okay, that's why we are learning here, so that when we go into class, you are clear what is happening. So let us see. You say 2, 1 and 4. Let us see now. So now here, we change this. This can you times by 4 can become 12. 3 times 4 is 12. You see, can have the same denominator. So times this by 4. So what do you get? 3 whole 8 over 12 minus 1, 5 over 12. So Shaheed, 3 minus 1.
Is equals to 2.
2. 8 minus 5.
3.
So now down here, you can still bring it to lowest term. Both of them can divide by 3. Both can divide by 3. So you get 3 divided by 3. So you get 2
1.
whole, 1 over 4. Okay? Shafia, masih Shafia. Okay, down here, you just need to change 1. You minus. So it's not so difficult. Now we're going to go to the next one. Let us try the next one. This one. You try this one.
Help me. 1.5.
1.5. Now let's see what the rest say in a moment, okay? Yeah, I like the question on the board.
Two whole 6 out of 10.
2 whole 6 out of 10. What about Shafia? Shafia's got. So let us see, yeah. Okay, here we go.
Oh, 8.
8 out of 10. All right, let's try now. We can change this denominator to 10. So times 2 times 2. So you get 3 wholes, 3 out of 10, minus 1 whole, 8 out of 10. Now careful. 3 cannot minus 8, you know. Don't go and take 8 minus 3. Cannot go to balik, cannot go to balik, yeah. So now what to do?
You take the 3, you ask for your neighbor.
Ask from the neighbor, okay. So this 3 now, okay, maybe first of all, we want to, let's minus the 1 whole first. 3 minus 1 is 2. So you get 2, 3, 10. You need to just minus 8, 10. No. See, I minus 3 whole minus 1, get 2. But it's, I left it here. 3, 10 minus 8, 10. So now, I leave it first. But I ask myself, oh, this one here, I can divide to 1 plus 1. 2 is 1 plus 1. And 1 can be 10 out of 10. You see, 5 out of 5 is 1. 7 out of 7 is 1. Boy over boy is also 1. Anything over anything is 1. So why do I want to change it to 10 out of 10? I want to minus the 8, that's why. I want to minus the 8. So now, can you see now, down here, I have 1, there's 10 out of 10, and 3 out of 10, minus 8 out of 10. So now 3 cannot minus 8, never mind. 10 can minus 8. What do you get? Oh, I get 1 whole 2 out of 10 left. Can you see now? 10 minus 8 is 2. I must not forget to plus the 3. So I plus the 3. So I get 1 whole 5 out of 10. And I can reduce it. And I get, as Friday says, 1.5. Notice, I repeat again. 3 cannot minus 8. So what do? I break up this 2 to 1 plus 1. This 1, I make it 10 out of 10. Why? Because I want to minus here. 10 minus 8 is 2. So I write 2. But don't forget, I have 3 down here. I put it now down here. So I get 1 whole 5 out of 10. And 5 can be reduced to 1.5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We try. One more, okay? Akil, are you okay, Akil? You seem to be chewing some. What are you eating, Akil? It looks so delicious. Chewing gum, eh?
No, I just tried because I haven't prayed yet.
Oh, you have not prayed. Okay, then how? You want to pray first or how? Or we do one more, then you pray again?
Never mind.
If you can, you do one more. Then okay, you try this one.
1 whole 1 out of 18.
1 whole 1 out of 18. Let us see whether you're right. 1 whole 1 out of 18. Okay, let's try. It's good that you are trying, yeah? Okay, keep on, because after a while, you will score the goal. Do you know what the research says about people who score the most number of goals? You know not? Let's say now you're Messi, Messi or whoever, let's say Ronaldo or whoever it is. The person who scores the most number of goals will make the most number of misses because he tries more and more and more to score the goal. And then as he tries to kick the ball into the goal, he will miss more times than the rest. So some people can say, you look at the goal scorer, he makes the most number of misses, but he also makes the most number of goals. So you must keep on trying, okay? You must keep on trying, okay? Don't give up. But you must also pray to Allah lah. So if you are late for prayer, later, all right, after we explain, you must try and go and pray lah, boy. Okay? Because Allah is very important. Allah can just give you what you want, just like that. Kun fayakun. Do you know Iblis? No, Iblis. You know Iblis? Iblis is the one who went against Allah. And Iblis, after he did not want to bow to Prophet Adam, you know what he did? He asked Allah for a special favor. He said, Ya Allah, will you give me lasting life? That means he didn't want to die. Imagine he disobeyed Allah and he dared to ask Allah for a special grant or wish. And what did Allah say? Allah said, okay, I will grant you life until hari kiamat. So you are now asking Allah, Ya Allah, help me pass my maths, do well in maths. It's nothing to Allah, very small. Iblis, he goes against Allah and he asks for a miracle and Allah give it to him. What more, you guys? Nothing. It's nothing to Allah. So you must remember that you have a problem, it's nothing to Allah. Here we go now. Now, what number do we do? Okay, we can take 2 times 9 and 9 times 2. Like that. See? So now you get 4 wholes. 5 times 2, 10 over 18. So 18 is correct, yeah? There's 18 here. Well done, Mr. Akil. 18 is there. Maybe you might be right. Minus 3. 1 times 9, 9.
I got
18.
I got 1 10 out of 18.
1. Okay, 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1 out of 18. And congratulations to Mr. Sheikh Akil. All right. As I said, you keep on trying, you will surely score the goal. Okay, we try now the next one. Sheikh Akil, you want to solve it first? You can solve it first. I'll leave it to you, okay? But we must always bow down to Allah because He can give you anything you want. But next time, solat before you start your tuition. All right? Okay, now the next one now. We try this one. Miss Shafia. Paging for Miss Shafia. Paging for Miss Shafia. Where are you, Shafia? Can do or not? Can do or not? Can?
Please wait.
Please wait.
I
Who
am
is?
trying.
Okay, no problem, right here. I'm talking to Shafia. Shafia can do, huh? Okay, try. You can do it, Shafia. You can do it.
Five whole 14 out of 24.
1 whole 14 out of 24. 14 and 24 can still be divided by 2.
5.
5 out of
5.
24.
Wait.
All right.
Five, 7 out of 12.
5, 7 out of 12.
5, 4, 7 out of 12.
Okay, let's see here. I think you got it right, Heidi. Is it getting easier, Heidi? Yes, sir. So actually, maths, you have any problem down here, what do you learn? You break it to smaller parts. Try until you can solve it. So sometimes we all have problems, no? But you can solve it actually. There's no problem that cannot be
You
solved.
also have to remember that before you also learn this.
Yes. So maybe before you did not master it. So now you are given a second chance. Okay. Let's see. Anyone else got answer? Sorry? Shafia got answer, Shafia? Wait. Wait. Okay, we are waiting for you. Iman, you got answer, Iman? What's your answer, Iman? Wait.
I have one more last step to do.
Okay, please do. Please do this step. Meanwhile, Raidi, we will test you. How fast you are. Are you ready, Raidi? Please unmute yourself. Don't need to mute after answering. Just we try to see how fast you are. Every time we do this, you are getting faster and faster. And go. Can see?
5 whole 7 over 12.
Sorry, 5 whole
7 over 12.
7 over 12. Righty, is this your answer also?
5
whole 7.
Wait, let me check. 5, 7 out of 12. Yeah.
All right, I think both persons got 5 whole 7 out of 12. All right, we will now go through.
That's me.
Wait, okay. Shafia says wait. Okay, then we wait Akil for Akil to do it. Meanwhile, we'll test. Righty, can you see the picture? And go.
56.
Well done.
28.
Good.
8.
Good.
20. Wait. 21.
Good.
16.
Good.
36.
Good.
32.
Good.
59. Wait. Oh, 49. Oh,
Okay. Next one.
8 times 9 is 72.
Good.
6 times 8, 48. Oh, not in time. 6 times 3, 18. 20. 35.
Okay. All right, we have to go through the answers now. I'm so sorry we cannot wait anymore. So let us see now. Okay, now we times this by, you can change it to 12 if you want to, or you want to take 24, no problem. But I'm going to take times 2 times 3. Why? 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So bottom times 2, top times 2. Bottom times 3, top times 3 equals to 7, 10 over 12 minus 2, 3 over 12 equals to 7 minus 2, 5. 10 minus 3, 7 over 12. Congratulations to Iman and Raidi. Here we go with next one. Okay, we'll try the next one now. This one is easy. This one is easy. Watch. Whole number minus whole number. 8 minus 5. What's the answer?
3.
Three.
Whole.
Three. Three
1
whole.
out of 3.
1 out. Then just carry the 1 out of 3 there, okay? So now you do the next one now. What's your answer?
4, 5 out of 8.
7 minus 3 is 4. Then just carry this there. 5 out of 8. Okay, easy, yeah? Now we go to the next one. This one a little bit different. Okay, you try now. You try. This one you got to
2
break.
out of 5.
3, 2 out of 5. Beep. This one you got to break like that, break like that. That's what we did just now. Sorry, eh?
We break it up to 5 and 4.
Not 5. You minus first. Who? Sorry. Who's Shafia? What's your answer? 2.
2 whole 2 out of 5.
2 whole 2 out of 5. Okay, let's see whether it's the right one. No, you minus the whole number first. Okay, I will show you step by step now. Okay, 2 whole out of 2 out of 5 is very close. It could be correct. Let us see how to do this. Okay, watch carefully, okay? Now, first of all, you have 9 pizzas. You can minus the 6 what? 9 minus 6, what do you get? 9 minus 6. 3, yeah? 3. Now, there's no more whole number. Now left like that. Because the 6 has disappeared, you already minus the 6. No more 6. So now down here, how to minus? You say, never mind. Remember, this is the same as 2 plus 1. 3 is the same as 2 plus 1. This 1 changed to, this is 5. Oh, I can change to 5 out of 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3 out of 5. Then I got a 2 whole here. 3 out of 5, not 2 out of 5. A little bit more, Shafia. Just a little bit more, you're going to score. Notice again, this is like 3 pizza. 3 pizza. Imagine, you have pizza in Mustafa, they have pizza, they're selling. You got 3 pizza. Then one of you come and say, uncle, I want to buy 2/5. 2/5. 2/5, how much? He says like that, 2/5. Or 2/5 of pizza only. Then what do? I need to cut only 1 pizza. I cut into 5 parts. Then I sell him the 2 parts. He wants 2 parts of the pizza, right? I sell it to him. So now he takes away this 2 parts because he want only 2/5 of the pizza. So I'm left with 1 pizza, 2 pizza, 2 pizza, plus 1, 2, 3 out of 5. Do you understand? When you have a, yeah?
Where did 3 come from?
This 2, is it?
3.
3. This 3 there, down here. At first, now you got 3 pizza, right? Okay, we look down here, 3 pizza. Now there's 3 pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. Yes. 3 pizza. 1, 2, 3. Then he wants to buy 2/5. What is 2/5? That means you cut the pizza into 5 parts. You cut the pizza into 5 parts. And they want 2 parts. So how, when I give him the 2 parts, when I take away the 2 parts, I'm left with 3 parts. So what do? This 3 pizza, I divide to 2 pizza, and 1 more pizza, I cut 5 parts into 5 parts, 5 out of 5. Because 5 out of 5 is 1. Can you see now? So now Shafia is asking, how I get 3? Well, these 5 parts, I minus 2 parts. It's like this, it's like this. Now it becomes like that. You see the 3 pizza, I make it 2, and 1 more I break into 5. See, 1, 2, 5 out of 5. So 5 minus 2, get 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. Can Can see, we try the next one. We try the next one. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. Inshallah, it's coming soon. It's coming soon. You try this one now.
Sir, I still
Yeah.
lost. I still lost.
Okay. Now I'm here.
Wait.
You minus first. How much you get? Akil.
Wait, I'm not done.
Yeah, you do. You don't look at this one, yeah? Now I just show Akil ni. Now you are left like that, Akil. Correct, not Akil? You minus the one pizza nomor 7, right? Akil. Now you want 7 out of 10 pizza. Break this up. Break to what? 6 plus 1. This one you divide into how many parts? You divide into that lah. You don't get it still. Do you get it?
Sure. The
Can get
writing not
Yeah.
really clear.
Okay, not clear. I write on the board. Can you see the board or not? You can see the board or not, Akil?
It should be okay. Good.
Can not? Can see not?
Also lost.
You also lost. Okay, never mind. No problem. You do.
Wait.
What about what about Iman? Can you do Iman? Shafia can do. Okay, nobody. I'm just going through. You try first. Okay, this is the question. First, what do? You have 8 pizza. The customer want to buy 1 pizza and 7 out of 10 part. This is the customer. This is what you penjual. You want to sell this. Can see not, Akil? Not clear. Akil say not clear lah because I write in red, not clear. Can see, Akil? Better?
Yeah.
Akil, now can see.
Yes.
Okay, you must tell me. You cannot see, must tell me. So, Akil, this customer want to buy 1 out of 7 over 10. If he buy 2 pizza, it's so much easier for us. Just 8 minus 2 get 6, finish. But he said, I do not want to buy 2. I want to buy 1 pizza, 7/10 of a pizza. Ya Allah, why you have customer like that? But what to do? Sometimes you have like that. So, first step, 8 minus 1. How much, Akil?
7.
7. Now it's like that there. Now he wants 7 out of 10. Not even 1 pizza. 7 out of 10. So how many pizza you need to cut to serve him? Only need to cut him 1 pizza. Because down here now, this is, you can divide this to 10 out of 10 parts. You see, 10 out of 10 parts. Right? So now down here, 6 pizza plus 1 pizza. But this 1 pizza, you put 10 out of 10. Become like that lah. 6 plus 1, 7. So this one now become like that. 6, 10 out of 10 minus 7 out of 10. Akil, don't cover your face. Can see not? This part, you get this part? You don't get, right? Okay, Akil, you understand this part? This part you understand?
I don't understand the pizza.
Okay, don't understand pizza. Okay, don't look at the pizza. This one you understand? This one so far you understand? 8 minus... No. 8 minus 1, 7. So we already minus. Once you minus means the hilang. Minus this one, so hilang. So it becomes 7 lah. 8 minus 1, 7. So now got this one have not minus yet. This one have not minus. So cannot hilang yet. 8 minus 1, 1 already minus, 1 must hilang lah. So hilang already. Okay. So this part you understand, right? So now how to minus this one? Very simple. Do you know how to minus like that? We learned last time how to minus this one. 1 whole can be 10 out of 10. Can be 20 out of 20. So become like that lah. 10 minus 7, 3 out of 10. Oh, 1 whole can be like that, huh? So I borrow 1 from here. I want to borrow 1 from here. I borrow 1, I'm left with 6. This one, I make it 10 out of 10. Because 1 can be 10 out of 10. 1 can be 5 out of 5. 1 can be 2 out of 2. So I make it 10 out of 10 because I want to minus the 7 10.
Sure.
Yes. Yes. So now 10 minus 7, 3 over 10.
Answer is
Uh-huh. What's your answer? What's your answer? Cannot hear you. Cannot hear you. Shafia, cannot hear you.
3 whole 3 over 10.
Yeah, correct. So now let us try step by step. We try step by step now. Okay, if you still don't get it, we try step by step. You tell me whether you all can do this. 1 minus 2 over 5. Cannot. What's your answer? Shakil. Shakil. Fetching for Mr. How to do this one?
Oh. Ayo.
1 whole change to what? 1 whole change to what? This one got 5, change to 5. How many over 5? How many over 5?
1 out
No,
of
one.
5.
5 out of 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So become 5 lah. 1 whole can be 10 out of 10. Can be 3 out of 3. Can be Akil out of Akil. Can be 7 out of 7. Can be 1 million out of 1 million.
1 million.
All right. So it's the same number over same number. So down here, we know that this is 1. Oh, 1, this one got 5 at denominator. I make 5 out of 5 lah. So 5 minus 2, 3 out of 5. Now we will try Sheikh Akil again. Sheikh Akil, 1 minus 3 over 7. What to do? We change 1 to what? Sheikh Akil.
1 out
Sheikh
of
Akil.
1. Yeah.
Sheikh Akil.
Yeah.
1 out of 1. Okay, Sheikh. 1 out of 1. But this one is 7, this one is 1. This is 7, this one is 1.
Ayo.
No, look at this. Look at this. You can change to 7 what? You can times by 7, times by 7. Do 7 out of 7.
And then because 7 out of 7. And then 3 out of 7.
Yeah, so we change straight to 7 out of 7 straight. So you get 4 out of 7.
7.
One more time, Shakil, we try. Don't worry about this. There's a 3 out of 100, Shakil. What to do?
100 out of 100.
Good. Minus 3 out of 100.
3 out of 100.
You get 97 over 100. This is correct. You get it? So now, if I give you like that, 2 minus 2 over 7. 2. I can do 1, I cannot do 2. So you borrow 1 first. You borrow 1, you make it 7 out of 7. Borrow 1, Then you minus 2, 7. So if you borrow 1, you still got 1 left, what? Shaki, can see that? So now, then what's the answer? 1 minus 0, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. This is the answer.
7. So 1 whole 5 out of 7.
Okay, I am going to just check. Raidi, you understand or sakit kepala?
Sakit kepala.
Aduh, Raidi. Iman, you understand or Iman? Yes. Shafia, you understand or understand? Okay, we try. We try. Akil, I hope you understand because we have been going through together. So now we try now. 3 whole minus 2/3. What is the answer? Anyone? Iman?
Wait. 1 out of 3.
1 out of 3. Okay. But don't forget your balance. That's not, this is 1 minus 2 over 3. You are correct. This is 1 over 3. You borrow 1. So don't forget, you must have one number here. What number is here?
1.
Not 1. You borrow 1 from here. How many are you left with?
2, 2, 2, 2.
Yes. So we see, we try, we see, okay, step by step, okay? So now we borrow 1, we left with 2. The 1, we change it to 3 out of 3. Why we change to 3 out of 3? Because we want to minus this animal got 3 at the denominator. Ini binatang got 3. You don't, the echo is 3, we make it 3. Okay, this down here, Raidi, is 2 plus 1 is 3. Raidi can see not 3 here. So now 3 minus 2 get 1 over 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. Can? We try the next one. We try the next one. We'll get a little bit bigger. The number is a little bit bigger. 4 minus 2 out of 7. And go.
Two out of 3.
2 out of
3.
2 out of 3. Like that. But this one is 7, no? Bottom is 7. How come we get a 3?
3 whole 2 out of 7.
3 whole 2 out of 7. Close, but this is still not the answer.
Amanda.
3 whole 5 out of 7.
Okay, 3 whole 5 out of 7. Let's do step by step. Shafia and so now this one, we need to borrow 1. 1 whole is 7 out of 7. That's 1 whole. 7 out of 7 can minus, 2 7 can minus. Because 7 is bigger than 2. But if you borrow 1 from 4, you are left with how many, Shakil? You borrow 1 from 4, you are left with?
3.
3 must be like that lah. So 3 plus 1, 4. So now we minus 7 minus 2, 5 out of 7. 3 whole 3 like that lah. We try now. Well, last question. Eh? You
I got
can
it
do
correct.
this. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Never mind. Next week we'll practice this again. Okay, don't worry. Shafia. Where have you gone to, Shafia? Mr. Akil, come. You're playing the tabla. No. Tabla later.
Eight out of 5.
8 out of 5. 8 out of 5 like that. Okay, let us see.
5, 3 out of 5. That's my answer.
5, 3 out of 5. Okay. Iman can do it, Iman. What's your answer, Iman? What light is that, Raidi? I'm scared it's like poking into your eye. It's just a reading light. Oh. Very interesting.
8 points.
I must also be having that light also. Let me try. Yeah, I think I have the light also. Okay, guys.
I have 2 lights.
9 whole 8 out of 5.
9 whole 8 out of 5. Very
9
close.
whole 3 over 5.
10 whole 3 out of 5. Let us see. First of all, you know that you got to borrow 1 from here. So you get 5 out of 5. Why you need 5 out of 5? Because you can minus 2 out of 5. 5 out of 5 is 1 whole. If you borrow 1 whole from 10, you are left with 9. You're left with 9, you know. So 5 minus 2 is 3 out of 5. There's a 9 here. 9, 3 out of 5. Never mind. None of them got this one very close, but still not yet correct. Never mind. We will try again next lesson. Okay. I will send you. I have not sent your parents the video yet, but yeah, inshallah, we will try again next week. Okay.
What's your you know you said you post it in YouTube, right?
Yeah, I will post. Actually, I posted it already. Let me just show you what I mean.
What's your YouTube?
I must show you the address. You can see my screen. You can see my screen, right? So now I'm just showing you now. Down here, let's say I will upload lah. Oh, sorry. This is I can see all this stuff. So let's say now we have, you see, Sec 2, Primary 5. This is last week's one. Okay, you can see. So this is last week. I'm wearing the same shirt. Ya Allah.
Wow, YouTube.
Wait, Mr. Shaheed, wait.
It says in YouTube.
Yeah, I will send. Oh, this is the Primary
What's your
6.
YouTube? What is it, Joe? What
Huh?
your YouTube name?
No, this one you cannot see. Okay, my YouTube name is Shaheed Salim. This one. So you check under yours, Mr. Shaheed Zoom Tuition Primary 5.
Can you put it inside the chat?
Check now.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do I get my name? Okay.
You just copy.
Just copy from here.
Yeah. And just
Then you have a lot of tuition classes.
Teacher
have. You have right? You got ready. Sekejap.
Teacher?
Hold on. Down here the chat. Yeah? Down here. Okay. Oh yes, that's me. Yes. Okay. Now, can you see my name there?
Okay, thanks.
All right. Okay, we see you again next week. All right. Never mind. Today we tried hard. We'll try again. Inshallah, you'll score the goal. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Iman, you look so tired, Iman.
Waalaikumsalam.
I found
Bye.
it.
Waalaikumsalam.